Hi everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today on Embroidery 101 I'm going to teach you the buttonhole stitch. Now this is a great stitch for making flowers or wheels for bicycles or cars. It's really fun and easy. It looks great in like sunshiny colors. So you're going to start at the edge of your circle, and this little diagram is a circle with a dot in the middle because you're going to have all of your button or blanket stitches. It's called buttonhole wheel, but it's made using the blanket stitch, and they all point into the center. All right, so we're pulling through bringing the needle from the back up to the front. We go down into the middle. We're going to leave our thread loose so that we can create a loop. You come back up. We're going to go to the right of our original stitch, about 1/4 of an inch away. And then you want to make sure that that thread is behind your needle so that when you pull it through, it creates that original blanket stitch. Okay. So now you go back down into the middle, leaving that thread loose. And then you're going to come back up again to the right of your original or your last stitch. And I want to make sure it's a little bit farther apart, so I'm going to do that one again. There we go. And you just continue to go into the middle and come back up on the edge of your wheel, 1/4 of an inch away, making sure that that thread stays behind your needle. Let's head over to the stand so I can show you this a little bit closer up. All right, so we're going to continue piercing into the middle and coming up about 1/4 of an inch apart. Make sure our thread is behind our needle, or the needle goes through the loop, however you want to say that. You can use your finger to push them back out if they're not quite laying down how you want them. So just keep stitching through the middle and then next to your last stitch. So I paused for a minute because there's 2 ways to end the buttonhole wheel, and I'm going to show you the seamless way first. So this makes it look like your wheel has a no beginning and end. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down through the original loop, hooking that through and keeping your tension nice and tight. And then right into the middle, just like that. And you can't see which spot was the very beginning. Whoops, let me tighten that up so it looks right. There you go. So it looks just like that. So you knot it on the back, and you can't tell where this buttonhole wheel starts and stops. But let me take this stitch out and I'll show you a different way. So you can do whichever is easiest for you. Okay, got to rethread my needle. Whoop. All right, so the next way, as usual, you're going to go down into the middle and you'll come right back up where your stitches start and stop, connecting those 2. You'll put your needle through the loop just like you normally did. So you have your whole buttonhole wheel, And then all you're going to do is just tuck your needle right back through right there at the beginning. Pull that tight and knot your thread on the back. So you just have this little loop right there that secures all of your stitches. So there's 2 ways to end the buttonhole wheel. So don't forget to try out each way to end the buttonhole wheel and see which one works best for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video on the buttonhole wheel from the Missouri Star Quilt Company.